Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Yazi ezinye izinto guys nizosifaka ekukhulumeni yazi, and even if we keep quiet, but in a long run zizosifaka ekukhulumeni nje, so we might as well just speak about it anyway. Iqiniso ke guys lithi we see what is happening in South Africa at the moment. Regarding the undocumented immigrants, of which siyazwelana nabo. Ngifuna ukusho lokho, ngisho ngangikhotha nangomunye umnyaka, yes siyazwelana nabo, because siya understand ukuthi abasuswa izinto abanye babo, basuswa ukuthi balambile eswini. Uyazi ukuthi mangabe kungekho ukudla okukhona eswini sakho, obviously uzohamba ukubheka, because umuntu akaphila isikhathi eside mengadlile. But mhlambe guyzini ngiyayithanda futhi iqiniso ke mina. I'm that type of a person nje othanda iqiniso. Guyzini, we have borders. Noma ngithi ke whatsoever that happened in our lives, or whether it's a colonial apartheid, a democracy, isenze saze safika la sikhona manje. What do I mean by that? I mean we have borders, even if we didn't have borders. But now we have borders. And those borders governed ukuthi ungakuphi nomhlaba and fanele ubehave kanjani. Angithi sikhuluma iqiniso guys, asinyanyani sikhuluma iqiniso. Mina I don't understand ukuthi if South Africa or South African leaders or people that are in power, they really want to assist the people that are coming from another countries, African countries, if I can put it in that way, like to be precise. Why they do not, for like occasionally, or for like some period of time, just open the space for on an office, ukuthi let's document people so that these people can be traceable. Because ngiyabuka nje lento eyenzakalayo iyakubutha man, because noma ngabe kuthiwa iSouth Africa inakho ukudla, but siyathanda ukuyobona ukuthi kwenzakalani kwamanye amazwe. Yes siyathanda. Usungasho ke wena ukuthi awuthandi, mina ngiyathanda, mina ngingedwa ngikhulumela mina, and mina I'm a South African. I'm a descendant of the South African too. Ngiyathanda ukuyobona amanye amazwe nje, ngiyakuthanda, especially African countries, because siyazi ukuthi the gist of what is happening is ama-sanctions asanctione abantu emazweni abo. Therefore abantu baphoqeleka ukuthi besuke emazweni abo beze South Africa ukuze bezofuna impilo engcono. It's more or less the same like ukuthi usuka ophongolo mhlambe uye Joburg because uyobheka amathuba angcono, or usuke eMtubatuba uye Joburg uyobheka amathuba angcono, but still lapho sukuse within ama boundaries. But okwangempela masibuka nje lento le manje ithi into sinama boundaries, and ama boundaries ayasiguide ukuthi how you should, if uku travel, you know ukuthi even ibhanoyi ngafike likuthathe la eSouth Africa ufike ukuthi cababa, let me just say nje eDubai or like Cairo or wherever, before uyonyathela nje la kuneyitolo khona nan uqala ku-immigration officers bedeclare ukuthi usufikile la eSouth Africa, okusho ukuthi noma ungamiswa yiphoyisa 500 meters outside of the airport, you are declared ukuthi you are here. It's not just exercise nje. Usuke ulabelisha ukuthi ukhona la naba abantu. Okusho ukuthi if ubuthe mhlambe uzoba futhi ziningi yazi izinto ezenziwayo because you must have a medical aid, you must have like a booked place to stay or wherever you're going to stay, waprove even Home Affairs ukuthi ena unayo indawo yokuhlala ukuze uthole ivisa fanele uprove kulelo lizwe ukuthi uzokwazi ukuhlala and uzokwazi ukuyisustain kulelo lizwe. I think mina somehow somewhere khona abantu abasixabanisayo guys in because the question is ukuthi bafike kanjani vele lana because asibayeke laba o Mozambique asibayeke because bengeqa o Mozambique nabo kodwa nabo akhona amasosha akhokhelwa intela lesikhokhelayo every month but ake sibayeke o Mozambique o Swaziland o Zimbabwe because for them it's very easy to just jump off. But West Africa, people from Congo, far away, Kenya, and you don't have papers. I mean, you don't even have, I mean, Ethiopia, it's so far. I mean, angisho ukuthi ngalokho fanele ngaba nikho. Ngisho ukuthi it's so far ukuthi wadlule kanjani wonke lamazwe ungenawo amaphepha wadlule kanjani because izwe neze linama social agadile emncele yakhona noma usho ukuthi ngenza isibonelo nkosana ngeKhongo hayi ukuthi ngisho kabi ngeKhongo I do have friends from Congo singafika nje eKhongo space isethele igolide la khona sihambele because awekho ama social khona sengiyashoke nje ukuthi guys mina I don't understand ukuthi inkinga masiyibona ukuthi khona othina we are willing as South Africa to assist abantu base Africa ukuthi bezofuna imisebenzi lana sithini ke ngenhlalonhle yasemalokishini la amaphoyisa angahambi khona every time or lapho kungekho khona ngisho ama police stations sithini ma kuzoba nabantu abangatraceki abangaziwa abangabhalwe indawo ake siyeke le eyomteketiso uthi xenophobic sithini ngalokho ke because ingane seniyazazi ziyathanda ukudlala emgaqeni zidlala ingqabesha emgaqeni unanga umalume siyazi ukuthi kuyadlwengulana manje abantu bayadlwengulana whether umfana whether uyintombazane kuyadlwengulana sithini ngalezo ngane eziba amongst the people abangeke nje beze betholakala ngisho ngabe kuthiwa sebeyafuneka ke ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa ke simbonile begqoka into ered kodwa ngeke simthole because akabhalwe indawo. Ngiyaphinda futhi guys ngiyazwelana mina nabantu bangaphandle ngiyazwelana nabo but I just want to know nje ukuthi ugovernment uthini yena why ugovernment wathula when we elect ugovernment suke singasho ukuthi akayothule officing because this is an emergency. In fact this is an emergency because mangathiwa kufinyenza nje sibone mangathiwa kufe abantu noma base South Africa mhlambe the immigrants aphendule mhlambe ngenganono or lawa banga South Africa bavulela inganono. I mean sekubutha manguna phakade yazi guys yazi nje nathi kodwa guys nathi ake sifunde man ukuthi ipolitiki ifuna ucabange before uyovota ucabangisise ukuthi ngiyovotela ubani because of this and this and this and ngizobenefita kanjani eningane zami zizobenefita kanjani not just for ama feelings. Politics has nothing to do with emotions, nothing. Yes, you can lose with the critical thinking yakho but nje people must understand ukuthi politics has nothing to do with ama emotions. Because ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi umuye emzini womuntu bekududule bethi hamba la ekhaya hamba, how do you feel? not well, not good. But yeah, guys, angazi mina yazi angazi. Kodwa guys, uhulumeni mawukuthi ufunela abantu bebela akabadocumente. Bazi.
This is actually not the first time hearing a South African suggesting this, and I feel like it's a really great idea. Because I was actually thinking about this, okay, if the government document all these foreigners, which means there will be low rate of crime, yes. Because right now people will be doing whatever they want. They know even if I do this and run away, they cannot trace me. They cannot catch me, because obviously there is no any documentation. We don't know who this person is. And I think this is one factor that is contributing a lot on crime rate, because guys, it's a lot. There are foreigners who are actually doing these crimes, committing these crimes, and just disappeared like that. They don't get caught, they don't get arrested. If people know what, if I do this thing, I will get caught and I will get arrested. I will have to pay for my deed. Even if they can run away and go that side, they can still be traced. Because I've seen cases whereby someone from US has done something, and then they run away maybe from US to another country. They will still be traced and they will get caught. But unfortunately, when it comes to South Africa with these foreigners committing crimes, it's just another story. It's a different story. And I stand with this one. If only they can document all these foreigners, some sort of documentation, some sort of, something that can that can be used when this person has committed something. I think this is the best idea. But anyway, guys, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this one?